Hi guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you an exact route that you can use to make money on Binance without trading. So stay with me right now. I'm going to show you how you can do $20 to $100 daily. So if we are to do a simple conversion, that's about 10,000 to 50,000 daily on Binance. So it depends, it's absolutely depends on your capital. Okay, so let's look at this. So you can do this consistently on Binance. I'm not really taking more of your time in this video. I'll just show you little explanation. You've seen other of my videos, you should have understand what I'm saying there. So just look at what I'm going to share with you right now. So this is my Binance platform. So those of you that don't know how to trade Binance, you can just go and register an account on Binance, verify your Binance account, and this is the web version. You can get the app version, so you can, if you don't know much about Binance, check my other videos. This is just like the people that already understand Binance and want to know how to make money on Binance. So this is like the home section of Binance. So I'll just take you to how I got here, and okay. So I'll just take you to how I got there. So let's get rolling, guys. Okay, so what I do is that I go on the order section and I click the P2P orders. So this is how I get through. If you are using the app version, what you need to do is to click on the last uh, part, which is called like the wallet side, or the side where you see the P2P trading. So you go and click like buy or sell. Okay. Now the model of it is that I'll just teach you two things. So the first thing you do is that you buy. Let me go to my, you buy, but you see that, let me show you. Yeah, I'll just click on P2P trading. So you just see you buy low and you sell high. And you do this consistently because within 15 minutes, within 1 hour, I can have 5 orders. And imagine if you make a profit of, let's say, 400 naira in 15 minutes or in less than 15 minutes, and you can finish 5 orders in 1 hour. That's like you made 2,000 naira. That's like $4 within 1 hour. So if you put in 10 hours, that's like $40 made. Okay, if you have more capital that you use this for, if you use something like 200, 400 USDD, you can make over within an hour. You can make over that should be 1-2 times, because you make 3 naira profit per $1. So that is 3 naira times the amount of USDD that you're using. So if you're using up to 1,000 US, that's like you made 3,000 naira in the 15 minutes. If you do that 5 times in 1 hour, that's like 15K. So that 15K, if you do it like for the straight 5 hours, that's like 75,000. So what I'm going to teach you here is very interesting. So if you have not subscribed to this my YouTube channel, kindly do so right now, because you won't find this kind of videos anywhere on YouTube, guys. So if you have done that, turn on the notification bell and just watch what I'm about to do. So I'll go on my content guide. You see, the first thing we'll do is open a Binance account. So we use the P2P section to buy large orders and we sell low. Now, for those of you that don't have time, because the last time I talked about how to start up a POS business, whereby for any sale that you're selling, you charge a transaction fee. But on this case, you're not looking at transaction fees now. You're looking at something that we can be doing consistently. We have time and we put it into this. So we come here and we click on something like Naira and something. I will choose our fake currency to be Naira. Okay, Okay, so we also come here and our payment option should be bank transfer also. Okay, so if you see right here, guys, this is the rate that people are currently selling their. Okay, if I want to buy USDT, now this is the rate that people are currently selling. So what I will do now, if I want to make much profit, I will just leverage on either the 2 naira dip. I will go and look at the highest that people are selling is 507. Okay, so what I will do is that I will look for a way to buy for 505, 505 or 504.5. I'll just post an ad that I want to buy USDT $100 bulk for 505. Now I'll post about it. Instantly, I will have a seller, someone that will sell to me. Now remember that my profit was either two naira per $1 or 1.5 naira per $1. Then immediately I get a seller, I will now post a sell ad that I want to sell the same 100 USDT for the current market rate, which if you go here that says go here, you see that the current market rate is actually either 518 or 5220. Ignore this stuff here. So you can see the profit. So if I have patience to take small orders, so I'll be selling for 522, and if I sell for 522 for like 50 persons, I'll make a profit. I can sell this within 2 hours and I will be done. Okay, now if I don't want to do that and I just want to be repeating this consistently, I will just do I buy for for the 1.5 naira difference or the 2.5 naira difference. Then I'll post an ad to sell for this current best rate. That means I'll just sell everything at bulk for 508. That means I make 3 naira per profit, and I will sell it everything before 20 minutes, 25 minutes, I'll be done. So I can just keep repeating the same process over and over again. That means if I use $1,000 and I bought for that unit and I made 1.5 naira per one of my dollar, if I do this again, that's I've had 1,500 naira instantly. So if I repeat this again like 4 times within 1 hour, so I've made 6,000 naira. So guys, you see that this what I'm going to show you, it's super interesting. So post ads to sell high. Now what I mean that buy large orders and sell low is that you bought 500 USDT. Sorry, I made the mistake. USDT. So you buy such large orders and you start selling. You post on your ad that you want to sell just $10 to $20. So you don't want to sell more than that for one person. So you need to sell to if you divide $20 by 100, you need to sell to 50 persons to finish all the USDT that you have. Remember that the weight that you bought at was 506, but now you're selling for 518. Means that you make 12 naira profit per $1. Okay, now before you sell all your USDT finish, means you're gonna make like, if you have 1,000, you're gonna make like 12,000 naira profit, and you need to sell to 50 persons. You can decide to charge 100 naira transaction fee from each of those people. So you make 100 naira times 50. That's fine. That's like you make 17K just by selling up your $1,000 USDT. Now the next one is that you post sell ads. Okay. Now how this one works is that if you look at the market rate here, let me go back. Look at this side is the buy market rate. Okay. This side is the buy market rate. So they just follow me. So this is what is currently people are currently buying out currently right now. These are the best rates. So that's 507. So you can go and post an ad that you want to buy this just 3 naira difference, 2 naira difference. You can say 504.5 or 505. I'll post an ad. I want to buy 100 or 1,000 USD at once. So they'll basically match me to someone that I want to sell for, or someone will definitely accept for 505. Okay, so 505 or 504. Okay, so when I sell to that person, then I will go and post an ad now that I want to sell instantly for the current market. I can put my own for 507.5 or just leave it at 507. Instantly, I will sell it immediately. and I would have made, if it's that 3 naira difference I made, if I had $1,000 that I put in, that I made 3,000 naira profit, and I can repeat this over and over again. So guys, let's go on this. So I don't plan to take your time on those videos. So if you watch my other videos, you just know that you need to post ads. So most of you don't know how to post ads. For some of these things, most of you don't know how to become a merchant, how to post an agreement statement on Binance. You may not know all those things. Some of you already understand what I'm saying, guys. But okay, I just have a solution for everyone.